Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. I hope you all are fine. Right? In previous video, students, we already have learned about the safety rules at home and some others safety rules which we supposed to follow at home. Clear, students? Now today we are going to learn safety rules that supposed to follow at school. Now schools are not there, but after few days you are going to come in the school because schools are going to reopen. Okay. So when you come back to the school, students, we need to follow some rules. आपको rules follow करना है. And if you follow these rules, you can save your life. You can keep safe your life, your body, as well as you can save others' life also. Or you can keep safe yourself from the injuries or hurt. आप क्या करेंगे? आपकी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Clear? If you follow the safety, if you become careless, if you become the careless, what will happen? You will get the injury. Yes or no? You will get the hurt, and that hurt will pay a lot. You know that. Okay? So no one is ready. No one is ready to get injured. Okay? Or to become patient. No one is ready to become patient. Yes? Anyone is ready to become patient? No. So try to follow some safety rules. Okay? Now we'll see today. All students, okay, listen. All students go to school, and especially various activities are going in the class. Especially we used to read the books, we used to write notes, we used to play the games, and we share our food also. So these things are going on. Okay, but there are some rules. There are some rules, and that everyone must follow. So first rule is there: do not stand on desk. Whatever tables are there in class, don't stand on the table. So what happens, students? If you stand on table, so sometimes chances are there to fall down. You can fall down very badly on others' body, maybe your friend, or sometimes you may fall down very badly on the floor also, and you can get the burn or injury. Sometimes bone may fracture. So these are the simple things, but you must follow. So do not stand on desk. Next thing, do not run around in the classroom, because there are so many friends. They are sitting next to you, behind you, front of you, left, right. You don't run in the class. Sometimes they may get the disturbance, as well as sometimes you may give dash to others and you will get the injury. Okay? So do not run around in the classroom. Next thing, do not hit others while playing games on the ground, especially students while playing. Some students are very naughty. All are naughty, but among them 2-3 are too naughty. They push to others, they drag to others. So while pushing time, dragging time, your chances are that your friend may get the hurt. Sometimes while playing the football, cricket, you throw or you hit the ball very badly to others. So these things try to avoid while playing. While playing any kind of game, that game's rules you supposed to follow. आपको उस गेम के रूल्स फॉलो ही करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, while playing cricket you must wear the helmet, hand gloves, pads, and then only go for the play. Okay, because you don't know sometime the ball may hit to your body. Yes or no? So try to take care. Second thing, don't fight on the ground. Okay, simple, whatever simple things are there. For example, sometimes for small things you start some fighting. So instead of fighting, you can go to the teacher and you can solve. You can tell the teacher. So your problem will get solved. Okay. So don't fight. Don't hit the ball. Do not hit others. Okay. The next thing, laboratory. Sometimes you go to the science lab. Okay. If there is no teacher in the science lab, please students, don't go to science lab. Do not enter the laboratories or science lab if there is no teacher. You can go with the teacher. If teacher is there, you can go to the science lab. Teacher will show you the experiments, activities. You can enjoy that activities. But if there is no teacher, please do not enter in the laboratories. Okay? Don't go to the laboratory because harmful chemicals are there. Okay? Clear, students? Next. See here. This is the next thing which is very important. Inform the class teacher about any injuries, fight or disease. Okay? If some students are fighting, if someone got injured, someone got the hurt, so immediately you can inform to the teacher. That is your responsibility. आपको क्या करना है? आपके टीचर को जाके बताना. If someone is getting hurt, if someone is fighting, immediately you can go to the teacher and tell, so and so is fighting. So teacher will solve the matter. Teacher will help you to stop that fighting. Okay? So these things you supposed to do. ये आपको करना ही है जब आप स्कूल में रहते हो. Clear? Then, yeah, this is also very important, students. Always you go to the bus. Always you use the bus to go home or to go to the school. Yes or no? See here, this is the school bus, students. But there is one thing wrong. Yes or no? What these children are doing? Do you know, students? These children are stretching out their hands out of the window of bus. देखो, सभी के hand बाहर निकाल रहे हैं. First, second, third. Only the other is not. Okay. So this is good, students. No, this is not good. So do not put your hand. Do not put your hands and head out of moving bus. If the bus is moving, student, if you are in moving bus, if you are in school bus, so at that time you follow the one rule. No one should take out their hands and head out of a moving bus. किसी ने भी हाथ उसका head बाहर निकालना नहीं. Okay, so this is the one set rule. Like this girl, you become a good girl or good boy. Okay, don't stretch out your hands or don't take out your head if the bus is moving. Clear? Understood? So this is also one more rule. This is very important rule, students. Then, if you want to get down or if you want to get into the bus, अगर आपको बस में जाना है और बस के बाहर भी आना है, if you want to get into the bus or if you want to get down, make a queue. Make a queue means make a line and then only enter into the bus. Otherwise, get down from the bus. Okay. So what will happen if you not get the injury, students? Sometimes what happens, students? See here. Sometimes what happens? You don't make the queue. आप क्यों बनाते नहीं, लाइन में खड़े रहते नहीं. जैसे ही बस आती है पूरे बच्चे एक ही साथ चले जाते हैं. तो उससे क्या होने वाला है, there will be a too much rush in front of the door of bus, and then all children starts pushing to others, and chances are there you may get the hurt. तो सभी को याद रखना है, जब आप बस से उतरते हो या बस में चढ़ते हो, आपको लाइन में जाना है. ओके, सो everyone listen to me. You must follow the safety rules. And what is that? Form a queue to get into the bus. If you want to get down or if you want to get into the bus, first you make the line. While get down also, don't make crowd here inside the bus. Come one by one and get down. Otherwise, you may get hurt. Clear, students? And no one won't get hurt. That first only I say. So these are the safety rules you supposed to follow at schools. ये आपको safety rules स्कूल में follow करना है. Okay? Everyone must follow the safety rules at school. So you will not get the any kind of injury or hurt, and you will go safely at home every day. Clear, students? So I hope you understood today's part, that is safety rules at school. Okay, students? And from today onwards, you are going to follow these rules at school. Okay? So today we'll stop here, students.